the roots of the equation x square plus x plus a exceed a, then dash a value is, here is given quadratic equation x square plus x plus a equal to 0. Roots of this is x is equal to minus b, that is minus 1 plus r minus b square 1 minus 4a by 2a, that is 2. These are the roots. These roots are exceeds a is given, that is minus 1 plus r minus the root of 1 minus 4a by 2 less than a. So that is minus 1 plus r minus under root of 1 minus 4a less than 2a. So plus r minus under root of 1 minus 4a less than 2a plus 1. Pairing on both sides, that 1 minus 4a less than 2a plus 1 here. 1 minus 4a less than a plus 1 whole square, that is 4a plus 4a square plus 4a plus 1. So both sides 1 1 cancel, that is 4a square plus 8a greater than 0. Take 4a common, that is a plus 2 greater than 0. So here a less than minus 2. The value of a is minus 2, is less than minus 2. If k belongs to R, then the roots of x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to k square is always dash. So here is given the equation is x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to k square. That is x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to k square. So x square minus 5x plus 6 minus k square is equal to 0. Now we find delta, that is delta is b square minus 4ac, that is b square is 25 minus 4 into a value is 1, 6 minus k square is equal to 25 minus 24 plus 4k square, it is equal to 4k square plus 1. Here is given k belongs to R, that k square is always positive, 4k square is also positive, and 4k square plus 1 is always positive, that is delta greater than 0. Delta greater than 0 means the roots are always real and distinct. If x square minus 3ax plus 14 is equal to 0 and x square plus 2ax minus 16 is equal to 0 have a common root, then a power 4 plus a square is equal to dash. This is 2S MSET 2018 question. For suppose we take alpha is a common root. So substituting alpha, that is alpha square minus 3a alpha plus 14 is equal to 0, and second equation alpha square plus 2a alpha minus 16 is equal to 0. So subtracting these two, that is minus minus plus, so alpha square is cancelled, minus 3a alpha minus 2a alpha, that is minus 5a alpha plus 30 is equal to 0. So 5a alpha is equal to 30, a alpha is equal to, putting this a alpha value in the first equation, alpha square minus 3a alpha plus 14 is equal to 0. Alpha square minus 3 into 6, 14 is equal to 0. Alpha square minus 18 plus 4, that is minus 4 is equal to 0. Alpha square is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to r minus 2. So substituting alpha is equal to 2 in this equation. So a alpha is equal to 6. A into 2 is equal to 6. A is equal to 3. The value of a is 3. Now we find a power 4 plus a square. A power 4 is 3 power 4 plus b square is 3 power 4. 81 plus b square is 9. 81 plus 9 is equal to 90. For a power 4 plus a square is equal to 90. If x square plus 2px minus 2p plus 8 greater than 0 for all real values of x, then the set of all possible values of p is dash. This is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given expression is x square plus 2px minus 2p plus 8 greater than 0 for all real values of x. Here is coefficient of x square is positive and this expression is also positive. So discriminant delta must be less than 0. Delta less than 0. Delta means b square minus 4ac less than 0. B square, that is 4p square minus 4a 1c minus 2p plus 8 less than 0. 4p square minus plus 8p minus p2 less than 0. Take 4 common. P square plus 2p minus 8 less than 0. So this is 8 factors, p square plus 4p minus 2p and minus 8 less than 0. Take p common, that is p plus 4, and minus 2 common, that is plus 4 less than 0. So that is p plus 4 into p minus 2 less than 0. So that is minus 4 less than 2. The set of values of p is minus 4 comma 2 open interval. Let r minus alpha comma beta be the range of x plus 3 by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Then the sum of the intercepts of the line alpha x plus beta y plus 1 is equal to 0 on the coordinate axis dash. This is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given. First we find the range of the given function. Let us take y is equal to x plus 3 by multiplying the 2, that is x square plus x minus 2. So y into x square plus x minus 2 is equal to x plus 3, that is yx square plus take x common, that is into y minus 1 minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here is x is real. Delta greater than or equal to 0. Delta value is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. That is y minus 1 whole square minus 4y into minus 2y minus greater than or equal to 0. Y square minus 2y plus 1 plus 8y square plus 12y greater than or equal to 0. 8y square plus y square, that is 9y square plus 10y plus 1 greater than or equal. 9y square plus 9y plus y plus 1 greater than or equal. Take 9y common, is y plus 1, and 1 common, that is y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. 9y plus 1 into y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. This is y less than or equal to minus 1 or y greater than or equal to minus 1 by 9. Here alpha is minus 1 and beta is minus 1 by 9. So here is intercepts of the line is given, that is alpha x plus beta y plus 1 is equal to, that is alpha x is minus x minus 1 by 9 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. This x plus y by 9 is equal to 1. Here intercepts, x intercept is equal to a value is 1, y intercept b value is, that is 9. So a plus b, sum of the intercepts is equal to 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, then alpha by 2 plus 5 alpha whole square plus beta by 2 plus 5 beta whole square is equal to dash. This is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given equation x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So alpha comma beta are the roots. That means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that minus 5, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. So alpha is a root. Alpha is a root, that is alpha square plus 5 alpha plus 2 is equal to 0. From this equation, 5 alpha plus 2 is equal to minus alpha square. Similarly, beta is a root. That means 5 beta plus 2 is equal to minus beta square. Substituting these values in the given problem, it is alpha by 2 plus 5 alpha whole square plus beta by 2 plus 5 beta whole square equal to alpha by 2 plus 5 alpha, that is minus alpha square whole square, beta by, that is 2 plus 5 beta is minus beta square whole square, that alpha cancelled. 1 by minus alpha whole square is, that is 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Alpha square plus beta square by alpha square plus beta square. This alpha square plus beta square is written alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha square beta square. This alpha plus beta is minus 5, that is minus 5 whole square minus 2 into 2 by alpha beta whole square, that is 2 square. 25 minus 4 by 4 equal to 21 by 4. So answer is 21 by 4. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus 2x plus c is equal to 0, if alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 4, then the value of c is dash. This is TSMCET 2017 question. Here is given equation is x square plus 2x plus c is equal to 0. So alpha comma beta are roots. That means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus 2, and product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is, and given relation is alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 4. Alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Substituting these values, alpha plus beta whole cube, that is minus 2 whole cube minus 3 alpha beta is c into minus 2 is equal to 4. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8 plus 6c is equal to 4. 6c is equal to 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. For c is equal to 12 by 6. The value of c is 2. The product of all real roots of x square minus 8x plus 9 minus 8 by x plus 1 by x square is equal to 0 is. So here is given equation is, that is x square, write down 1 by x square and take minus 8 common, that is 8 into x plus 1 by x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here let take x plus 1 by x is equal to t, and x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2, that is t square minus 2. Substituting these values, it is t square minus 2 minus 8t plus 9 is equal to 0. This is t square minus 8t plus 7 is 0. This is t minus 7 into t minus 1 is equal to 0. t minus 7 into t minus 1 equal to 0. T values are t is equal to 1 and 7. If t is equal to 1, that is x plus by x is equal to 1. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Values of x are minus b, 1 plus r minus the root of b square, 1 minus 4ac minus 4 by 2, 1 plus r minus root over 3i by 2. These are imaginary roots. Let us take t is equal to 7, that is x plus 1 by x is equal to 7. 2 square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 7 plus r minus b square, 49 minus 4ac 4 by 2 is equal to 7 plus r minus root over 45 by 2. These are the real roots. So real roots is equal to real roots equal to 7 plus root 45 by 2 comma 7 minus 45 by 2. here is asking product of all real roots, that is product is equal to 7 plus root 45 by 2 into 7 minus root 45 by 2 equal to 49 minus 45 by 2. 2 into 2 4 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to product of all real roots of the given equation 1. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus is equal to value of alpha power 12 plus beta power 12. This is TSMCET 2019 question. Here is given quadratic equation, that is x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So roots of this equation is x is equal to minus b, that is 2 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac, that is 16 by 2a, that is 2, that is equal to 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16, that is minus 12, that is root to 12 I by 2. So that is equal to 2 plus or minus root 12 is 4 into 3, that is 2 root 3 I. 2 common 1 plus or minus root 3 I. So we know that omega is equal to 1 minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. From this 2 omega is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3i. So from this equation minus 2 omega is equal to 1 plus or minus root 3. So here the roots are alpha is equal to minus 2 omega and beta is equal to minus 2 omega square. Now we find the value of alpha power 12 plus beta power 12. So alpha power 12, that is minus 2 omega whole power 12 plus minus 2 omega square whole power 12, that is equal to 2 to the power of 12 into omega power 12, that is 1, minus 2 whole power 12, that is 2 to the power 12 into omega power 24, the value is 1, that is equal to 2 power 12 plus 2 power 12, that is 2 into 2 to the power of 12, that is equal to 2 to the power of 13. The value of alpha power 12 plus beta power 12 is equal to 2 to the power of 13. The set of real values of x satisfying the inequalities x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than 0 and x square minus 2x minus 8 less than or equal to 0 is dash. This is TSMCET 2019 question. Here is given first relation x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than 0. That means x minus 1 into x minus 3 greater than 0. So x belongs to x from this equation less than 1 or x greater than. The second equation is x square minus 2x minus 8 less than or equal to 0. This is x minus 4 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. That means minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. So from these equations required set is equal to required set is equal to minus 2 to 1, minus 2 closed interval, 1 open interval, union 3 open interval and 4 closed interval. This is the required set. The maximum value of 2x plus 2x minus 7 minus ax square cannot exceed 20. Then the minimum value of a is dash. So maximum value is equal to maximum value is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. Here 4 into a value minus a and c, that is constant, or minus 7 plus b. Here is 4 by 4 into a, that is x square coefficient is minus a. 4 common and cancelled, that is 7a minus a into minus 7, 7a minus 1 by minus a, that is equal to minus 7a by a plus 1 by a. So a cancel, that is 1 by a 7. So and we have here is given cannot, this maximum value cannot be exceeds 20. 1 by a minus 7 less than or equal to 20, that is 1 by a less than or equal to 20 plus 7 27. Therefore a greater than or equal to, so minimum value of a by 27. The sum of all real numbers satisfying the equation x square plus mod of x minus 3 is equal to 4 is dash. This is TSM set 2019 question. Here is asking the sum of all real numbers. So first case 1, you take mod of x minus 3 greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, that means x greater than or equal to 3. So given equation is, that is mod x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3, that is x square plus x minus 3 is equal to 4, x square plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, applying minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b means minus 1 plus or minus square 1 plus minus 4ac plus 28 by 2, that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 29 by 2. Here root 29 value lies in between 5 and 6. If you take 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5, but here is x greater than or equal to 3. So x values which is not possible, which is not. Or suppose take case 2. Case 2 is modulus of x minus or equal to 0, less than 0, that is x less than 3. Mod of x minus 3 less than 0, that is mod of x minus 3 equal to minus of x minus 3. From this equation x less than 3, substituting this value, that is x square minus of x minus 3 is equal to 4, x square minus x plus 3, that is minus 1 is equal to 0. So the values of x is equal to minus b 1 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2, that is 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Here root 5 value is 2.2, that is 2.2 plus 1, 3.2 by 2. So this is the values of x is less than 3. So here the quadratic equation is x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Their sum of the roots is equal, sum of the roots equal, root is 1 plus root by 2 and second root 1 minus root 5 by 2, that is equal to, take LCM, that is root 5 cancel, 2 by 2 by 2 is equal to 1. The sum of the roots of the equation 1. The set of values of x for which the inequality mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 1 less than 4 always holds good is dash. This is MSET 2018 TS question. Here is given inequality is modulus of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 1 which is less than 4. So mod of x minus 1 less than 4 minus mod of x plus 1. So squaring on both sides, that x minus 1 whole square is less than 4 minus mod of x plus 1 whole square, that is x minus 1 whole square, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 less than 16 plus x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 8 into mod of x plus 1. So x square cancelled and 1 cancelled. This is 8 into mod of x plus 1, which is less than 16 plus x. 8 into mod of x plus 1 is less than, take 4 common, that is 4 plus x. 4 2 times cancelled. 2 into mod of x plus 1, which is less than 4 plus x. Again squaring on both sides, that is 4 into x square plus 2x plus 1 is less than 16 plus x square plus 8x, that is 4x square plus 8x plus 4, which is less than 16 plus x square plus 8x. 8x cancelled, that is 3x square less than 12, x square less than 4. From this equation, minus 2 less than x less than 2. So the set of values of x is minus 2 comma when